Watch out, them shoplifters down there. Freezing out here this morning, guys. Hands are froze. Which one's it gonna be? Come on, baby, come to Papa. All right, we got a lot of fish coming through, boys. Come on, which one's it gonna be? There it is, just like that, boys. Just like that, happens just like that. Gotta watch those rod tips. Oh, that's a good one. Ha-ha! Patience, Daniel, son, patience. That's a good one. Turbo. That's what I'm talking about, Daniel, son. That's a turbo. Hot diggity dog. God, that rascal gut hook. That's a 4-pounder. Woo! Please don't be gut hooked. Watch those rod tips. Watch those rod tips. Woo, that rascal's gut hook. Dang it. Poor guy. Planning on letting everything go today, guys. Yeah, somebody gonna eat good. It's just like that, boys. Patience, Daniel, son. Patience. Ha ha, honk, honk. Honk, honk. Yeah. Please don't be gut hooked. Woo, catch and release. That's the way I like to do it, boys. Watch those rod tips. Watch those rod tips. That was just like that, boys. Ooh, look at that crappie. Woo, catch and release. Catch and release. Crappy dappy. Watch those rod tips. Watch those rod tips. Just a baby. Just a baby. Striper diaper. Catch and release. Alright, we're going to move to another spot, guys. We give this spot long enough. Got one nice turbo. Well, we actually had two. I had to miss out, lost that one right at the boat, which I'm not keeping nothing anyway. That rascal dascal. Damn kitty cat or either white bass or something. Wasn't too much of an aggressive bite. Watch those rod tips, though. Watch those rod tips. Oh God, look at the fish on the screen, guys. When them rods gotta go down. When those rods gotta go down. Which one's it gonna be? Which one's it gonna be? Can't get these fish to sit still. They just roaming. Hear one, I hear one, I hear one, I hear one. I hear it, I hear it. It happens just like that, boys. Over here in my secret spot. Just a baby. Just a baby. Oh, Lordy. Good eater. Oh, he ain't gut hooked neither. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Old rooster tail, you ain't eating him tonight. Good God almighty, great balls of Friday. Catch and release. Catch and release. It's the way we do it, boys. Watch those rod tips. Which one's it going to be? There it is, front rod. Thought I saw that one going down too. Gotta watch those rod tips, boys. Just a baby. Little guys down there. Woo. What'd I do, snag you? No, I just got wrapped around the fin. Ooh, didn't gut hook this rascal. All right, come down, young lady. We're gonna let you go. We're gonna let you go. Gonna let you go. Little guy, just a little guy. That one was getting hit. You gotta watch those rod tips. You gotta watch those rod tips. There it is, right there. You gotta watch those rod tips, guys. You gotta watch those rod tips. There's another baby. Hot diggity dog. Where's your mama at, young man? We're looking for your mama. Whew, not getting gut hooked. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Don't want to have to keep y'all. Watch those rod tips. Watch, there's one on that one over there. I told you that one was getting hit. I told you she was getting hit. Oh. Uh-oh. Maybe that's not that one that's got the fish on it. It's the one in the back's got the fish on it. Hot diggity dog. All kind of crazy stuff happens out here, boys. Don't try that at home, folks. It's dangerous. Oh, that's a better fish there. Hot diggity dog. You gotta watch those rod tips, guys. Dog. Please don't be gut hooked. That's a better fish. Hot diggity dog. Took y'all over here to my secret spot. Good God Almighty. Oh, you rascal. You rascal. You ain't gut hooked, are you? Oh, no. It's a rascal dascal. Watch those rod tips. Oh, there ain't no bait on none of them. As soon as I damn grab that spoon, start messing with that spoon, God Almighty. Damn rod's gonna go off. It happens just like that, boys. Another rod right there. Just babies. Just babies, guys. Just babies. There's another one on right there. Somebody get it. Somebody get it. Goodbye, City Life. Watch those rod tips. Gotta watch those rod tips, guys. Little eater, little eater, little white bass. Ooh. Watch those rod tips. Damn gut hooked. You rascal dascal. Happens just like that, boys. Another white bass. Hot diggity dog. Watch those rod tips. Watch those rod tips. Oh, another gut hook. That's a baby. Oh, he got away. Shoplifter. Got shoplifters down there, guys. Foul hooked my bait. See, that's why I missed that fish. That's fishing, though, guys. You can't catch them all. That's the way it happens, boys. Damn. Finicky bite. Ah, foul hooked my bait. Finicky bite. Finicky bite. See, foul hooked him again, guys. God Almighty. That's fishing, you know. Some days you can't do nothing wrong. That rascal. Oh, there he is. He's on that one. Hot diggity dog. Alright, this is probably gonna be about the last one, guys. Ooh, that might have a little size to it. Oh, honk, honk. Oh, a little white bass. No, that's a high, bro. Alright. Good God Almighty, great balls of Fridays. Whew, I had to back to cleaning the live well out, getting ready to head to the poorhouse, and I looked up here. That line was way over here. He must have been swimming around. Oh, he gut hooked. God Almighty. Happens when you try to leave, guys. God, he's gonna get that other line. That's a good one. Good God, that's a good one. I've let all the bait go. The good ones are starting to come through. Hot diggity dog. That's fishing though, guys. Whew, don't try that at home, folks. It's dangerous. Whew, he ain't gut hooked. Hot diggity dog. Rascal Dascal. We are going to the poorhouse. Daddy's got to get something to eat. Goodbye, city life. Guys, last fish. Feels like a kitty cat. Feels like a kitty cat. I got all the rods in. I started reeling it up. Sure enough, it's a kitty cat. Oh, slimy dimey over here in Joe's catfish hole.